नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां पुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्. We are seeing Ach Sandhi. Up to Adguna, everybody is clear? Any doubt is there? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Now we are going to see Vriddhi Rechi. What are the Vriddhis?
A, I, O.
A, I, O.
Here it is there. A, I, O. A, I, O. At eche pare vriddhihi ekadeshaha syat. After akara, if there is h pratyahara, then both will be replaced by vriddhi. Akara is there and it is followed by h pratyahara, which is avo, I, au. Both will be replaced by vriddhi, which is a, I, au. I think we started this sutra. We have seen this. This is the Utsarga Sutra or Apavada Sutra of Gunasandhi?
Apavada Sutra.
Apavada Sutra. Gunaha Apavadaha. So, example is given Krishna Ekatvam. A plus A akara is there, it is following ekara. Then what will happen? When akara is following ekara, both will be replaced by
I, Kantasalu.
replaced
First
by
Adguna.
vriddhi.
Okay,
Adguna,
so-
Adguna won't come. Adguna, Apavada has done. Now here both will be replaced by Vriddhi. Vriddhi letters are A, I, Au. Which letter we have to bring? Akara's Ucharana Sthana is?
Kantha.
Ekara's Ucharana Sthana?
Kantha.
So Akara's Ucharana Sthana?
Kantha.
Kantha.
Aikara?
Kantatalu.
Aukara?
Kantoshtam.
So Aikara's Ucharana Sthana and A plus Ekara's Ucharana Sthana is matching. Therefore, we have to bring I. कृष्णैकत्वम्. Next one, Gangaugaha. This one you can do. Devaishwaryam, Krishnautkanthyam. These three you can do. Here, Krishna plus Ekatvam. A is given. Ganga plus Ogaha. O is given. Deva plus Aishwaryam. I is given. Krishna plus Outkantyam. Au is given. Akara plus H. Whatever H letters are there. For this, all examples are given. So for Ekara, we replaced Aikara. A plus A, we replaced Aikara. A plus I, we replaced Aikara. A plus O, replaced by Au. A plus Au, replaced by Au. Then where this Akara comes? That is the question. For that, we have to see next 3 sutras. Up to this is clear?
Yes, Purnati.
Yes, yes.
We'll skip this Etyadathyutso. We'll see it later. First we'll do Bhuvadayo Dhatavaha. Bhuvadayo Dhatavaha. So Dhatus. What is Dhatu? Dhatu Sanyaha Syuhu. Bhuvadayo Dhatavaha. Priyavachino Bhadayo Dhatu Sanyaha Syuhu. Dhatu Sanyaha Syuhu. May it get Dhatu Sanya. What is that? Bhuvadayaha. Bhu, etc. When Kriya Vachinaha. So those words are explaining the Kriya. Those words are getting Dhatu Sanya. Actually, we cannot say words, but there is no other word. So whatever letters are explaining Kriya, those are called Dhatu Sanya. They are Bhu Adayaha. So there are 10 ganas. Vadi gana, Adadi gana, Juhotyadi, Divadi, Swadi, Tudadi, Rudhadi, Tanadi, Kriyadi, Churadi. 10 ganas are there. Gana means group. So some dhatus belongs to Bhu, etc. Gana. And some dhatus belongs to At, etc. Some dhatus belongs to Juhoti, etc. Like that, there are some ganas. 10 ganas are there. Some dhatus belongs to each gana. These dhatus are said by Panini Maharshiji. All those dhatus are said by Panini Maharshiji. Here in this sutra, there is Bhuvadayaha. When Bhu is the dhatu, here Bhu is the dhatu. And Adayaha. If Samhitayam, this is Samhitayam, if we want to pronounce it together, then what will happen? Bha, U plus A. U plus A will become in the place
It will
of
become A.
Va.
Plus
U plus A.
Of.
Ah, how?
Of.
How?
It will become
Ukara.
bha.
Which sandhi is this?
Yana sandhi.
Yan sandhi. In the place of ukara, what will come?
Vakara.
Vakara comes. In the place of ukara, vakara comes. Ikaha sthane yan syad achi pare. This is ik. This is ach. Ikaha sthane yan syad achi pare. Bha and va. Adayaha. Bhadayaha. This should be vadayaha. See, we should not be blind like here bhuvadayaha is there. That's why it becomes a or va. We should know what is happening there. If it is bhuvadayaha, directly it comes, then why I will explain? I don't need to explain. So if we do samhita, it becomes bhadayaha. Then there is a question. Bhuvadayo dhatavaha kutaha ayam vakaraha. How this vakara has come? This vakara means bhadayaha should be there. Bhuvadayaha, how this has come? Yadi tavat samhitaya nirdeshaha kriyate bhadayaha iti bhavitavyam. So if we do samhita, what should come here? Bhadaya should come, not bhuvadaya. Atha asamhitaya bhu adaya iti bhavitavyam. Asamhitaya, if we don't do samhita, then bhu adaya, this should come. Bhu and adaya, this should come. Ata uttaram padhati. Up to this is the question. Now answer is going to explain. So there are two opinions. Kashikakara explanation is different, and I think Bhashyakara's explanation. Both are little different. Bhuvadinam vakaraha ayam mangalartaha. I think this is Kashikakara's explanation. So this vakara is for the mangala. Mangalartaha prayujyate. Okay, then what is the sutra number here? 131. When we should do mangalam?
At the beginning.
In the beginning.
Beginning we should do mangalam. But is this sutra at the beginning sutra?
No.
No. 131 is not the beginning sutra. Mangalika acharyaha mahataha shastraugasya mangalartham vakaram agamam prayunkte. Mangaladini mangalamadhyani mangalantani hi shastrani prathante veera purushaha cha. So if we have such question, this is not the beginning sutra, then it is not mangalam. If we have that question, then veera purushaha acharyaha, they say Mangaladini, Mangalamadhyani, Mangalantani Shastrani Prathante. In Shastra, beginning we should do Mangalam, in the middle we should do Mangalam, at the end also we should do Mangalam. That's why Mangaladini, Mangalamadhyani, Mangalantani. Any of the text, do you remember that this statement has followed? Beginning, middle, end, Mangala Charanam has done.
I'm not sure, but is this in Mandukya Karika?
Yes. Mandukya Karika, middle also it is there. So, this is the Bhashya. This line from Bhashya, Mahabhashya. Bhu prabhritayaha va prakarakascha. Another explanation is, this is one explanation. So this is, vakara is mangalartham. Another explanation is bhu prabhrutayaha va prakarashcha. Beginning from the bhu and including va and all. Va prakarakascha, va dhatus and or including in this. That kind of meaning is also there. Three prakarakaha dhatavaha. So dhatus are three kinds of dhatus are there. Aupadeshikaha, sautraha, atideshikaha. Aupadeshikaha means those dhatus which are said by Panini Maharshi ji. Dhatu Patha is there. Whatever dhatus are there in Dhatu Patha, all dhatus are said by Panini Maharshi ji. Sautraha. Whatever some dhatus which are not there in the Dhatu Patha, but in Panini Maharshi ji, he explains in Sutra itself. Some dhatus he had given in Sutras. Those dhatus are sautraha. Atideshikaha. Atideshikaha means sanadhyantaha dhatavaha. Some modification will be there. The original dhatu will have some modification with some other words. Those dhatus are called atideshika dhatus. We'll see that later. Now, next sutra, upasargaha kriya yoge. What are the upasarga? So, upasarga pradayaha kriya yoge upasarga sanyaha syuhum. Upasarga sanyaha syuhum. May it get upasarga sanya. What are those? Pradayaha, pra, etc. They should get upasarga sanya when kriya yoge, when it is added with the dhatus. Then it gets upasarga sanya. What are the upasargas? Pra, para, apa, sam, anu, ava, nis, nir, dus, dur, vi, ang, ni, adhi, api, ati, su, ut, abhi, prati, pari, upa, ete, pradayaha. How many are there?
22.
22. These 22 are called upasargas. So we have little bit idea what is dhatu and a little bit idea about upasarga. Now we'll go to next sutra. Next sutra is for vruddhi rechi. Vruddhi, how vruddhi will happen for akara. That is the explanation. Upasarga triti dhatau. Upasarga triti dhatau. The splitting of this sutra is upasargat ruti dhatau. Upasargat ruti dhatau. So in YouTube video, I hope in my mobile I can see it clearly. Maybe it could be your internet issue or something. If you are unable to see, then check the internet. And when I move the document up and down, it takes few seconds to get clear. So you have to wait that document show it clearly. Then you will be able to see. Upasargat ruti dhatau. Here ruti means saptami. Rut shabda taparastatkalaha. Taparastatkalasya. What is taparastatkalasya? What is the meaning of that?
If ach comes before or after the, then it will only have 6 of its modifications included, not all the other ones.
So this is Rukara. How many savarnas will be there?
30 usually, but 6 here then. Or should it be 6 for this and r also?
6 plus 6, 12. So Rut is Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Upasargat Ruti Dhatu. What is the meaning? We'll see in the Vritti. Avarnantat Upasargat Rukarado Dhatau Pare Vriddhihi Ekadeshaha Syat. Now we have to learn how to understand this Vritti by itself. Avarnantat, Upasargat. So both are which vibhakti?
Panchami.
Panchami.
Panchami. Next, Rukarado Dhatu. Which vibhakti?
Prathama.
Saptami. Saptami.
No. Okay,
Saptami.
sorry.
Next, Vriddhihi. Vriddhihi is which vibhakti?
Ekavachana. Prathama.
Prathama. Now, Panchami should be what? Okay, Panchami we did not discuss, right? Okay, we'll see that. Saptami is a Sthani Nimitta Adesha. Saptami is Sthani Nimitta Adesha.
Nimitta.
Nimitta. Prathama
Adesha.
Adesha. Next, what is remaining?
Sthani.
Sthani. So Panchami and Shashti both can be in Sthani. Now, from this, it is easy to understand. We have to practice this way. How to understand if Sutra is not giving clearly, then we will get it in Vritti. So Sutra itself is giving clarity. Upasargat. Upasargat is Panchami. Ruti. Ruti is, actually we have to write Ruti instead of Rikarado Dhatu. Ruti. Ruti is Saptami. Ruti Dhatu. Now here Prathama is not there. That's why we have to take from Vritti. How this Vrittikara takes Vriddhihi?
From the previous sutra?
Yes. 6191. एकः पूर्वपरयोः आदेशः भवति. This is the another Adhikara Sutra that we have seen. Before that, main Adhikara Sutra is Samhitaya. Under Samhita, all these sutras are coming. Ekaha purvaparayoho, under this sub adhikara, this adgunaha vriddhireche has come. This vriddhihi is anuvritti in this upasarga triti dhato vriddhihi. If you see here, see anuvrittihi vriddhihi. Also at is also anuvritti. At is also not given in this sutra. At vriddhihi. Is this point clear? At is coming from Ad Gunaha, Vriddhihi is coming from Vriddhirechi. Both are getting Anuvritti from there. Avarnantat, where is At we may get doubt. Avarnantat, Upasargat. This Upasarga, where is, this Upasarga which is there in Panchami, that upasarga should be avarnanta upasarga, not any upasarga. Upasarga which ends with akara. Avarnantat upasargat. Rukarado dhato. After upasarga which is ends with the akara, after that if there is rukaranta dhatu, not rukaranta, rukaradi dhatu means dhatu which begins with the rukara, then vriddhi will happen. Both will be replaced by vriddhi. Avarna upasarga will take pra. Pra is avarna, avarnanta. Avarnanta upasarga when it is followed by rukaradi dhatu. Both will be replaced by what?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhihi. Example, pra is the upasarga. Rukaradi dhatu. What is given here? Prichati. Pra plus richati. In this pra is what? Akaranta upasarga. This pra is upasarga. Now you understood why we have seen what are the upasargas and what are the dhatus. To understand this sutra, at least we should know what are the upasargas and what are the dhatus. What is dhatu? So this is upasarga. Upasarga ends with akara. Next, rukarandi dhatu we need. This is ru dhatu. Richati is ru dhatu. This is at the beginning. Rukaradi dhatu. Pra a ru chati. This is the case. Avarnantat upasargat ruti dhato purva parayoho vriddhihi ekadeshaha syat. This is avarnanta upasarga. It is followed by rukara dhatu. Both will be replaced by what?
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi. Which vriddhi should come here?
Ah.
How will come?
Because kantha, a is kantha, r there is no real match for a and au. So a will come.
So vriddhi letters are a, I, au. These three are vriddhi letters. So I, au we have finished, and there is no matching with the rukara. So there is no discussion of I, au. We have only akara. Now anything is required here?
No, because both together will be replaced by a. Because
Uran
both-
raparaha will be applied now.
Uran raparaha will come here. What is the meaning of uran raparaha?
If after r there is an, then you have to have the r pratyahara after it.
Not after r. If you are replacing an pratyahara in the place of rukara. In the place of rukara, if you are replacing an pratyahara, then you have to bring ra pratyaya. So here ra pratyaya means what are the letters will include in ra pratyaya?
Rakara and lakara.
Ra and la. In ra and la, which one we should take here?
Rakara.
Rakara. This is how prarchati will come. Prarchati. Is this clear? You know, when I study Laghu, I thought Vriddhi Sandhi, I know Vriddhi Sandhi. Guna Sandhi, I know Guna Sandhi. Eco energy, I know eco energy. But I realized that I don't know any of these sutras. Any of these sandhis, I don't know completely. So we can go to next sutra. Engi pararupam. Hope everybody is clear in this. Any examples are there? Only prarchati is given. There is no examples. So in the previous sutra, Vruddhirechi, what are the examples are there? You can do that and you can send me. Now next sutra is Engi Pararupam. This we pronounce it as Nakara. Nakara means comes from Kanta. Nga. In Kailash, they pronounce it as Ga. Egi Pararupam they say. If it is Nas, they will say Gas. Recently, Swamiji pronounced that in Brahma Sutra, Bhashyar Tika. I was reading, where is this Gas? There is no Gas. So I did not catch that Gas is Pratyaya, Nas Pratyaya. So it takes, so that's why we should know both readings, means both kind of pronunciation. North side, completely they will pronounce Nga. In Kailasha and all, they pronounce it as Ga. Engi Pararupam. There are a lot of differences in pronunciations. What is this? At upasargat eng adau dhatau Pararupam ekadeshaha syat. If we see directly this sutra, we don't know what it says. Engi pararupam. Eng will get pararupa. That's all. Eng ado dhado. When it is followed, then it will get pararupa. But complete meaning is at upasargat. When akaranta upasarga, when it is followed by eng adi dhatus, then both will be replaced by pararupa. What is pararupa? We'll see that. Akarantat upasargat engado dhato pararupam ekadeshaha syat. Engadaha dhatavaha. What are the eng adi dhatus? A and O. Eng pratyahara. Eng pratyahara means A, Om. These two are dhatus. We'll see the example so it will become easy. Pra plus ejate. This is the situation. Ejate means ejru company is the dhatu. Ejru is the dhatu. So in the form is ejate. Atmanepadi latlakara pratham purusha ekavachanam ejate. Pra is akaranta upasarga. Ending with akara. And it is upasarga. It is followed by ejanta dhatu. Eng dhatu, not age. Eng dhatu means ekara, not ending, ekara adi dhatu. Sorry. It is followed by ekara adi dhatu. Then both will be replaced by what? Pararupa. Pararupa means A plus A. This is the situation. This is Purva and this is Para. Para means Ekara. Both will be replaced by Ekara. Pararupa here is Ekara. This is Purva and this is Para. Both will be replaced by Ekara, which is Para. So what is the form here? Both will be replaced by Ekara. Then what comes here?
Prejate.
Pra e jate. What is it?
Prejate.
Prejate. Upasarga, which is ending with akara, it is followed by eng adi dhatu. Dhatu which ends with a or o. Then both will be replaced by pararupa. Here purva means akara and para means ekara. So pararupa, it happens, that means ekara will come. Pra plus a jate, prejate, this way. Now you see the vritti. At upasargat. Akara is the upasarga. Engado dhato. Eng is the dhatu. Pararupam ekadeshaha. In the both places, pararupa happens. Syat. Now, if you want to see this, at upasargat. Which vibhakti?
Panchami.
Panchami.
Panchami. Panchami is of what?
Sthana.
Sthani.
Panchami sthani. What are the next word we have to take?
Saptami nimitta, like that.
What is the saptami here?
Engi.
Engado dhato. This is the saptami. Or if we take from the sutra, engi is the saptami. Here adau is there. Adi is ikaranta. That's why engado has come. Here eng is halanta. That's why engi. That's how it is come. Saptami is what?
Nimitta.
Next what we want?
Adesha.
Prathama adesha.
Prathama adesha. What is the prathama in this sutra?
Para. Pararupam. The whole thing.
Pararupam is the Pararupam ekadeshaha. Ekadesha we can do. Prathama adeshaha. So this is how we have to put. Sthani. Sthani is pra. Nimitta is ejate. Means A. Here A is the sthani, A is the nimitta, and pararupa is the adesha. This is how we have to practice. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Krupyo Namaha. Harihi Om.